I never know if I'm rolling. Hey, it's Desiree Andrews with Everyday Product Review. And you know what? I wanted to show you something. See that baby sleeping? See that sleeping, baby? You know why she's sleeping? You know why she's not, like, just scratching and itching? I'm going to show you why. I thought I'll do a product review. And if you lose the cap, which I did, it's fine. It's fine. So, okay, I got this at Fred's, y'all. Fred's. And it's hemorrhoidal ointment. I mean, it's been in the medicine cabinet since, who knows, right? I don't even know if I got it. But she had hot spots, you know? Doggies get hot spots, and they itch, and they itch, and they itch, and itch. And she just scratched and scratched and scratched. And, all of a sudden I thought, you know what? She had a little scabby area behind her ear, and I was like, this poor baby. I said, try this. I don't know why I thought, try it. And I did. Turns out I looked it up on Google, and something about the shark oil in it, and it works. It just like totally stops their little allergic reaction to the fleas or whatever irritant. She can just go out in the grass and come in and start scratching. I think she's allergic to everything. So apparently it works great, and we give her Benadryl as well. But it's since we started using, and I haven't actually used any other brand of hemorrhoidal ointment, but the Fred's brand hemorrhoidal ointment, I'm telling you, it stopped that baby's itching on her itchy spots. And she can sleep now and get a good night's rest and a good day rest. All right, say bye, MJ. That's MJ. MJ says subscribe and like Everyday Product Reviews channel. Thank you very much. All right, guys. See you later.